Are you tired of worrying about your RV plumbing system getting damaged by high water pressure? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, RV GUARD Adjustable Regulator. Let's kick things off with the RV GUARD RV Water Pressure Regulator valve, priced at $27.99. The first thing that got my attention was its lead-free brass construction and the built-in pressure gauge, which is super handy. If you want to protect your plumbing from high water pressure, this is worth a serious look. This regulator is designed to prevent damage to your pipes caused by excessive water pressure, making it ideal for RVs, trailers, and campers. It's compatible with all American water sources thanks to its 3/4 garden hose connection. What's great is that it comes preset at 45 psi, but you can easily adjust it with a screwdriver to get the exact pressure you need. This matters because nobody wants to deal with burst pipes during their vacation. However, some users mention that the gauge can sometimes be hard to read. Now, here's the thing, while that's a valid point, once you find the right pressure setting, you shouldn't have to adjust it often. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-use, reliable pressure regulator to keep your RV plumbing safe. Skip this one if you want something with a digital readout or a more advanced monitoring system. For just under $30, it's a solid investment for your RV plumbing. Now, if the gauge issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Camco Brass Marine Regulator. Next up is the Camco Brass Marine RV Water Pressure Regulator at just $13.98. What caught my eye here is its affordability combined with the ability to protect your RV plumbing effectively. If you're on a budget but still want peace of mind, this should be on your radar. This regulator is fantastic for safeguarding against high-pressure city water that could damage your hoses and plumbing. It's preset to automatically reduce pressure to a safe 40-50 psi, which is perfect for those who don't want to mess around with manual adjustments. Plus, it's drinking water safe, meaning you can fill your tank without worrying about contaminants. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having safe water is crucial when you're away from home. However, some customers noted that it doesn't fit all hose connections perfectly. But honestly, with a little adapter, you can easily make it work, and at this price, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want an inexpensive yet reliable pressure regulator for your RV or marine plumbing. Skip it if you need something highly adjustable or if you have larger hoses. For under $15, the value is impressive. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more customization. Product number 3, STMOUTUO Adjustable Regulator. The third product is the STMOUTUO RV Water Pressure Regulator, priced at $28.99. What stands out here is its wide adjustment range, which lets you fine-tune your water pressure from 0-160 psi. If you want complete control over your RV's water system, this is worth considering. With its lead-free brass material and adjustable pressure settings, you can set it to whatever suits your needs. Plus, it comes with a gauge that gives you a clear reading of your water pressure, critical for ensuring everything runs smoothly. The fact that it includes a filter to catch impurities is a huge bonus, too. However, some reviews mentioned it can be a bit bulky. Here's the thing, while it may take up a bit more space, the added features and durability might outweigh that concern for many RVers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a customizable regulator that enhances your plumbing safety. Skip this one if you need something compact or if you have minimal setup. At under $30, it's a great deal for the features you get. Now, if you're looking for something with more straightforward installation, the next product may catch your interest. Product number 4, Regulator Water Pressure Regulator. Coming in at number 4 is the Regulator Water Pressure Regulator for $29.17. What I really liked about this one is its heavy-duty build quality and the included support from the manufacturer. If you value durability and customer service, this could be your go-to option. It can adjust from a preset of 45 psi up to 160 psi, catering to a variety of setups. The low lead content means it meets safety standards, which is essential for drinking water. This is particularly important because you want your water to be as clean as possible while out on the road. However, some users reported that the installation guide could be clearer. I'll be real with you, if you're not handy, it might take a bit of fiddling. But once it's set up, this regulator performs exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you're seeking a durable regulator with solid customer support. Skip this if you want something more straightforward to install without extra guidance. Given its price and quality, it's a solid investment. Finally, the last product on our list is from RV again, but with a unique twist. Product number 5, RV Tool-Free Regulator. Last but not least is the RV RV Water Pressure Regulator with an adjustable knob priced at $26.99. What I found particularly interesting is the tool-free adjustment feature, which makes it super user-friendly. If you want something easy to operate while still being effective, this is a great choice. This regulator serves the same purpose as others, protecting your plumbing from high pressure, but the adjustable knob means you can change the settings without needing tools. That's a game changer when you're setting up at different campsites. It also has a gauge to monitor your water pressure, which is critical for preventing damage. Plus, it's made of lead-free brass, so you can have peace of mind regarding safety. However, a few users have mentioned that the knob can be a bit stiff to turn. Here's the thing, while that can be a hassle, once it's set to your preferred pressure, you likely won't need to adjust it often. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward regulator that's easy to use and adjust. Skip it if you prefer something with a digital gauge or more advanced features. At just under $30, it's a practical addition to your RV gear. To wrap things up, we covered some great options today. The RV adjustable regulator is fantastic for its durability, while the camco is perfect for budget-conscious folks. The STMOUTUO offers versatility, and the Renator excels in support and durability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the STMOUTUO because of its adjustable range and additional features for the price. I'd avoid the Renator if you want something that's easy to install right away. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.